Hello everyone, welcome here, apple picking farm. It's wet day because yesterday guys it rained the whole day. Look at the apple. Look at the apple. This is the mountain now guys that I'm talking about, the part 1. We're in the apple guys. Apple tree. Yay! Ang baba. Ang daming nahulog guys oh. Daming nahulog na, sayang. Sayang.
Oh my.
Almost down now guys na yung apple andun na oh, kahit nakahiga ka pwede ka mamitas, diba? Ayan, green apple the next row. Apple 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 apple. Look at the apple guys. This one is tignan niyo ang kulay, oh, it's different. It's different. And the other one is, look, it's more pinkish. Pinkish and reddish. Different of kind of apple. And the other side is greenish. Oh, look at that. We're gonna pick one. We're gonna taste if it's still good or not. Still good. Look, this one is greenish. Green. Masarap ito sausaw ng ano guys, asin. Masarap ito sausaw ng asin. Look at this. Yeah, green, 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 green. Ang dami ito sa taas oh. Dami sa taas. Guys, umakyat na ako. Umakyat na ako guys. May hagdan. May hagdan po dito. Ayun oh. May napipiking doon. Ayun ang mountain. I-try ko ito. Malaki naman. Di ko maubos to. Masarap ito isawsaw ng asin guys. Oh, laki oh. Pero pag malalaki ang ilagay sa bag, kukunti na ang laman. Nako, paano to? Ayan guys. Tignan natin. Ay, ang hirap mamitas. Baka tayo mahulog. Nasagdan ako. Ito. Oh boy. Ang hirap hilain. Hirap hilain. Hindi alam alin kukunin. Baka tayo mahulog. Baka hindi pa ready yan. Ay. Let's go, let's go. Ang dami guys, ah. Grabe. Hagdan, hagdan. Hagdan, hagdan. Grabe. Ay, ng plastic. Punuin natin ito by one take one. Sabi na it's free tomorrow to the other plastic. But paano pupunta ulit? It's 40 minutes guys to drive by the highway to come here. Yan na, may maakyat na. Yung truck kanina, yun ang nagdadala ng mga tao pupunta doon sa dulo. Kasi maluwang ito. Malaki, huge farm. Oh, may prawns na, oh. Nakuha ng prawns. Nakuha ng prawns, guys. Dami na kumakain ng apple. Ayan. We're here, we're gonna find a table. Ayan, apple lahat ito, guys. Different kind of apple. Apple. Ha? Ito lang ang prawns. Ito lang ang prawns, guys. Nasa mga ibang, ano, nasa ibang, ang dami, oh, guys. Prawns, this is prawns. Kumain na lang tayo dito, guys. Guys, nakakautot to. Ay, nakakadumi. Dami, oh. Naku, I'm eating now. Yun, pag hawakan mo, guys, nalalaglag na agad. Yun ang ready na. Ito, inaakyatan ko dati, guys, ito. Inaakyat ko to, guys, doon sa tuktok. Naku, sarap. Baka magtururot ako dito. Naku, wag naman. Magtutururot itong prawns, guys. Pag hindi kayo nakakataya, constipate, itong kakainin nyo, prawns. Opo, maganda ito sa puwet. Look at this! Big truck. Itong gamit nila, guys, sa farm. Itong gamit nila. Ayan, oh, you can see, guys, oh, yesterday, so rain the whole day. So, there's the result. Lubak-lubak. Lubak-lubak. Bye-bye. No, they just came. Ayan, ang nagdadala. Ayaw nila mag-walk. Guys, dito tayo mag-picking ng ano, apple. 2 bags of apple. Kasi ito daw yung matamis. Ito yung matamis. Sandali lang tumapuno yung 2 bag, guys. Hi! I'm picking 2 bag, guys. Different kind. This one there for this bag and the other one next. Lagay ko muna dito yung bag. Baka may kukuha. Wala naman siguro. Yay! Picking. me na 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 na. Dito tayo guys. Let's go.
J'avais bien travaillé pour les pommes. Elles sont pas ici parce que des fois, là, il y a des pommes dans les yeux.
Dami doon guys, hindi ko maabot. Puno na. Ang bilis mapuno guys dahil ano, ang lalaki. Ang lalaki, ang bilis mapuno. Ang lalaki guys. Hindi ko maano. Akyat ako. Akyat ako. Guys, ang dami na guys. Dami na guys. Oh. Let's go the other one. Let's go the other one.